Hello and welcome. Today, I want to walk you through the Star Hospital Cash Insurance policy and why adding it to your existing health insurance can make your coverage truly complete. We all know that a regular health plan takes care of the big medical bills, surgery, hospitalization charges, medicines, and so on. But what about the extra costs that come along with a hospital stay? Things like travel for your family, food for your attendant, or even the income you lose while you are recovering. These are often overlooked, and that's exactly where the hospital cash policy comes in. Here is how it works. If you're hospitalized for more than 24 hours, you get a fixed cash amount for every completed day. Whether your actual bill is big, small, or even completely covered by your main insurance, this cash is paid to you directly. And you are free to use it however you want. Now, let's break down the important parts. This has two different plan options, basic and enhanced. Number 1, basic plan. You can choose a daily cash amount of Rs 1000, Rs 2000 or Rs 3000. You also decide how many days in a year you want this benefit options ranges from 30 days all the way up to 180 days. Number 2, enhanced plan. This offers higher daily benefits of Rs 3000, Rs 4000 or Rs 5000 and day limits of 90, 120 or 180 days. What makes the enhanced plan unique are these special benefits. Number 1, convalescence hospital cash. If your hospital stay crosses 5 consecutive days, you get an extra day's payout as a recovery bonus. Long hospital stays are usually more tiring and stressful both physically and financially. This extra day's payout is like a get well soon cash boost meant to help you recover comfortably after a long admission. Number 2, childbirth hospital cash. If a woman is hospitalized for delivery after completing 2 years with the policy, she is eligible for the daily cash benefit just like any other hospitalization. This helps families manage extra costs during maternity, which often go beyond the hospital bill. Number 3, worldwide hospital cash. If you're hospitalized outside India, the policy pays double the daily benefit within your day limits. Hospitalization abroad is generally much more expensive than in India. This feature ensures that if you ever face an emergency while traveling internationally, you don't just get this regular daily cash, but actually twice the amount to better match the higher cost overseas. This means the enhanced plan goes beyond basic hospitalization. It adds recovery support, maternity benefits, and even global coverage. Now let's talk about ICU and accident-related coverages. For ICU stays, both basic and enhanced plan pays 200% of your chosen daily amount. And if the hospitalization is due to an accident, the policy pays 150% of the daily amount. This makes the policy stronger when the hospitalization is more critical because costs usually rise sharply in such cases. This policy is not a replacement for your main health plan. It is a smart add-on. While your main health insurance pays for hospital bills, this one gives you cash in hand every day to cover hidden expenses. Even if your main insurance settles everything cashlessly, you still get this payout. Now let's check some rules and waiting periods. A 30-day waiting period applies for illnesses from policy start date except accident. Pre-existing conditions are covered after 36 months in the basic plan and 24 months in the enhanced plan. Only hospitalizations longer than 24 hours qualify. Cosmetic surgeries, self-inflicted injuries, and certain other cases are excluded. This ensures the policy is used for genuine medical needs and offer fair coverage over time. So, to sum it all up, Star Hospital Cash Insurance Policy gives you a daily hospital cash customized to your needs, layered over your existing health plan. It's affordable, flexible, and ensures that during any hospital stay, you're financially protected not only from the big bills but also from the small everyday costs that often go unnoticed. Ready to add that extra cushion to your health insurance? Just pick the daily amount and day limit that suits you and stay worry-free the next time hospitalization happens. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to Star Health Insurance YouTube channel. I'll see you soon with another interesting topic.